So what we're going to do now is called Codman shoulder pendulum. I'm going to demonstrate this in a moment. The reason we do this one is often for post-surgical rehab. We use it for any kind of adhesive capsulitis or frozen shoulder. When there's lack of motion in the shoulder, this is a good place to start. So the important one with this one is you want to bend forward. I'm going to use this table to kind of support myself, and you want to let that shoulder and that arm just hang. And then you use your body to create movement. This isn't one where you're creating movement with the shoulder muscles. So if you can see my body coming back and forth, that's the pendulum there. And then you can get different movements to allow for rotation. For this exercise, it's a timed exercise. I like to do 1 to 2 minutes and do several, like 2 to 3 times. And you can do that a couple of times a day.